Hi, Pauric here, Mc Nally Motors. Today I want to show you around our 2016 Toyota Avensis. This is the 1.6 Business Edition model. It's got a annual road tax of €190. It'll be sold with a new NCT. The car has just been serviced here at Mc Nally Motors and it's sold a 12 months warranty and roadside assistance. Now we'll take a quick look at some of the features this car has to offer. It's got front fog lights as standard. It's got the 17-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels with new tyres all around. It's got the wind deflectors. It's got the rear tinted privacy glass. It's got a nice size spacious boot with fold down seats for additional space also. It's got loads of legroom in the back. Got the ISOFIX on both sides for the car seats and centre armrest and cup holders. It's got a navy and cream cloth interior with the centre armrest. It's got front and rear electric windows. It's got the electric fold-in mirrors. Multifunction steering wheel with built-in cruise control, radio and phone controls. Automatic handbrake. Touchscreen radio with built-in Bluetooth. Satellite navigation. Reversing camera. Dual air conditioning. And there's just over 82,000 miles on the clock. This Toyota Avensis would make an ideal sized family car. And at Mc Nally Motors, we can offer a wide range of finance options. So please give us a call on 043 33 45621 or visit our website at www.mcnallymotors.ie where you can view this car. You can also book a test drive. Thanks very much.